In this video, I want to talk about how you can get a refund on AliExpress without returning your item. Now, to do this, there should be a reason for it, like you didn't receive your items or the items are damaged and stuff like this. Now, to do it, simply log into your account and go to My Orders. Once you're on the My Orders page, you want to find the one that you want to do it with, click on it, and click on Order Details or simply on Return/Refund. Then once you're in there, you want to select the one that matches you. And then you simply want to fill out the little questionnaire that they're going to have. And once you've done that, you have opened a dispute. Now they're going to check it. And if everything matches like you said, then you can get the refund without having to return it. So it is possible for some cases, and some other cases it's not. But I suggest just opening the dispute and see what happens. So that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.